What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm on the road right now, and as you can see, it's not bad weather. But what's interesting is passing me the other way just a couple minutes ago, where it was like a group of storm chaser trucks. So they had like this armored truck, and then they were followed by a couple of other like larger trucks with like flashing lights and everything, and they were hightailing it that way. So normally I'd be like, wow, all right, something's going on that way. But behind me, the weather's perfect. In front of me is where it's starting to look a little ominous. So I'm hopefully going the right way. But it was a little funny seeing all the flashing lights and that parade of trucks heading the other way. Have no fear! Onward! It's hailing. Look how much hail has come down on the road. I mean, that's pretty awesome. I also saw some like dust devils, is that what you call them? Like kind of like these small funnel clouds of dirt coming off of these farms. That was kind of crazy. But man, this hail coming down a couple minutes ago was crazy. Onward!